Hello and welcome to my channel, The Craft Show. Today I am going to use some of my craft trash to make a beautiful wall hanging. So I had this half cork coaster lying around from a long time, and I have some yarn trash which I am going to use for this DIY. First I have cut the shape of the cork, a semicircle on a cardboard, and then I'm marking some straight lines on the coaster. Now these are the yarns that I have very recently made a yarn mandala which I sold on my Etsy store. If you wish to see my store, you can check in my description box, I'll mention it there. And these are the trash or the scraps from that mandala. So I never throw away the trash. I tend to keep all of them for later use, and these were some of the scraps from that mandala. And so I am making this DIY with those trash only. I'll hot glue them behind the cork in this way. Now recently I was reading a book named Steal Like an Artist by Austin Kleon, and he says that no art is original. Everything is inspired from some other things. If you think it is original, that means you do not know the source. And that is so very true, because your mind is a collection of your memories, your childhood, your tradition, your cultures, whatever you see or feel. And whatever you produce from that will only reflect you. So this craft is inspired by the Cancun sea beach, because we recently visited Cancun, and what stayed in my memory is only the colors of the white sand and the blue shades of the Caribbeans. Whenever I think of Cancun, the first thing that flashes in my memory is the ocean and the colors. So get inspired from anywhere, but first make it your own. That will reflect you, and that is how it will become an original art. After the mix of the colors of the ocean, now I have taken only white for the white sand, and then I have attached it on just above the line of the previous yarn. And I've also kept the length a little longer. I will add one more layer with a different texture of the colors, and this is how it looks now. Now first I thought that I will keep the color of the cork as it is, but after I completed this, I find that this color is not going with the rest of the DIY. So I painted it white, and then I'll give the shade of the ocean again on the cork. But before that, I will attach a twine at the back of the cork for the wall hanging to hang. And then I have hot glued the cardboard that I've cut at the back so that it covers all the mess behind the cork. Now for the ocean blue color, I have mixed a little blue with white, but what I've done here is I've started with a darker shade of blue at the bottom, and as I go upwards I have mixed more and more white to it to give this shade. Now comb it nicely and you have your DIY wall hanging. That's it for today. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you do, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.